Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan City, and today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for Crumble.co. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload any video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Adnan City, and I provide promo codes for so many other companies. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so many other companies. Like recently I uploaded a new video on Brooks, Blick Art Materials, Big Lots, Azazi, Avis, Essex, and so much other companies like Elu Yoga, Amazon, Alaska, Zales, Adidas, and so many other companies like Vita Coast, Fossil, Air Canada, and so much other. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so many other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So the code number 1 I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you 10% off site wide. So the code number 1 is NOHEMI21. This is the code number 1. Simply redeem this code and get 10% off site wide. So this is the only available valid code right now. So redeem this code and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.